you haven't guessed. It's like written on the front of the drum kit there, so I'm guessing you probably knew. Unless we just wandered in. We killed them lot and just wandered in. We've got a music video out on the album, and it's for a song called Let the Wind Blow. So, we need your participation to play it. And it's not too hard, I know. Every band says we need your participation, and it's something ridiculous, but it's not. If you can remember the words, hey, let the wind blow. Hey, let the wind blow. Hey, let the wind blow. South. We should be good. That's all it is. It's the same verse over and over again. We're not an imaginative lot at all. So it's hey, let the wind blow. Hey, let the wind blow. Hey, let the wind blow south. Have we all got it? You gonna get it? But if you don't, I'm gonna come up there and kick your ass, you know that. Each and every one of you. Lovely.